Head him to the gate, easy now. Clear the ramp, we've got the last 3 coming in. Steady now, get the rope ready. I got him, bring him to the truck. Steady now, get the rope ready. I got him, bring him to the truck.
That's a good boy. Nice and easy, right up the ramp.
Easy now, keep moving up. Bring the next one over, careful with that Appaloosa.
Come on now, easy, keep walking. Steady, let's go.
Pull up to the barrier and wait for clearance.
Copy that. Proceeding to Bay 3 as instructed. Easy now, easy.
Easy now, steady. Watch your step. That's it, you're almost down.
Look at the refraction data on this one. Fascinating. The pigment density is off the charts.
Look at the fluctuation on the keratin sequence here.
It's within acceptable parameters, but I'll flag it for review. Easy now, keep moving. Steady on the left. We are almost at the door.
The pressure looks stable here. Good, the leather texture is coming out perfectly. The gauge reading is fluctuating. I see it. Increasing the flow now.
The moisture levels are optimal on this batch. The texture feels perfect, ready for the next stage.
Bringing the next pallet in.
Okay, easy now. Set it down right there. Keep coming straight back. Easy now. Looks good from here. Lock it in.
Sigue derecho, cuidado a la izquierda.
Dale, dale, está despejado.
Watch the seal on that one. Careful now. Right here on the corner. We can fit 2 more on this pallet. Welcome. Let me fold that for you. Thank you very much.
I think this is the one. The craftsmanship is exquisite. It truly suits you, madam. Thank you so much. Here is your new jacket.
It's perfect. I love the texture.